Hi friends, welcome to another card making video. Today I'm Copic coloring the Hello Pumpkin Gnomes from Unity Stamp Company. I have started off by stamping the image using Copic friendly ink on Nina Solar White. This is 80-pound cardstock. Then I go ahead to pull out a bunch of Copic markers and start coloring it. I'm not very particular when I choose my Copic markers. I don't have specific go-to combos. I usually just pick a random bunch of light to dark shades of a certain color family and then just go ahead and play with them and blend them as I go. Now, I did manage to remember to swatch my colors out and actually made a list. So I'll make sure to include that in the accompanying blog post and also put it down in the description below, just in case you're interested to see the specific colors I used to color the different elements. Now I'm going to just turn on some music so you can relax and watch me continue to color, and then I'll meet you again at the end when I'm ready to put my card together. Once I'm done coloring the image, I go ahead and prepare a card base and my sentiment strip. I also bring in some orange cardstock that I want to use to create a window to kind of form like a peekaboo effect. So I find like the exact position where I want the circle to be, and I place my circle die right there, and I go ahead and cut out that circle. I use that as the template to position my gnomes and then adhere it to the card base. Um, Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and use some foam tape to pop up the window panel right over the gnomes. Then I bring in an additional stamp. This is a tiny little leaf that I found in the August 2020 Kit of the Month. Um, and I use some white pigment ink to go ahead and stamp that to form like a pattern over the orange panel. So finally, I prepared my sentiment strip by mounting it with some foam tape on an additional strip of white cardstock for extra dimension. And then I put it down with some liquid adhesive. Well, this completes my card for today, and I did have a lot of fun making it. I hope you enjoyed watching too. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks again, and have a nice day.